These are a couple of articles that are up on Infowars.com. The global economy is officially melting down. They say as much as the financiers on Wall Street and the officials at the Fed would like to keep the party going, it looks like it is about to stop. This is from Joshua Krause, the Daily Sheeple. He says years of bailout and monetary expansion have created one of the most inflated and artificial economic booms in history. He points out the Dow has fallen 1,300 points from its peak. On Friday alone, it fell by 530 points, making it the 9th worst stock market crash in U.S. history. Another article we have says the two-day stock market crash this week was greater than any one-day stock market crash in U.S. history. It was an 888-point crash. Going on with some of the other metrics from this first article, he says the Shanghai Composite fell by more than 11% this week. China's stock market has lost a third of its value since its previous peak. He says it's lost 4% of its value on just Friday alone after it was revealed. Fell by more than 11% this week. China's stock market has lost a third of its value since its previous peak. He says it's lost 4% of its value on just Friday alone after it was revealed their manufacturing activity had reached a 77-month low. That's over 6 years, about 6.5 years. 400 of the world's richest people lost a total of $182 billion this week, amounting to 6% of their collective wealth. I won't be crying for them, but you have to be concerned that they will do something very dangerous. Just as we heard before 9/11, they need another Pearl Harbor. That works whether you want to build the size of the NSA or whether you want to shake things up so you can make money, because they make money when things rise rapidly and they make money when things fall rapidly. They can go long or they can go short. They can buy into it or they can sell these things short. So they can make a lot of money if they create a massive crisis. One more metric here. They say commodities have fallen to a 13-year low. The price of copper has reached a 6-year low, while oil has suffered its longest decline since 1986. So that's the economic news. Very concerning, because usually in August it's very quiet. Things usually change in September and October. And we've had a lot of people saying they expected big changes for a lot of different reasons. A lot of people have different ways they forecast the economy. A lot of them expecting big changes in September. And we haven't even gotten there yet. We've got another week of August, and already we've had massive moves. Also, we have some information about Planned Parenthood and the videos.
Alright, Shalom. Double honors to the apostles of GMS. Unless you brothers that be pushing this truth and sincerity for the four corners of the earth. Alright, as you can see it, man. You know, as it was predicted at the beginning of this year by a lot of financiers and market analysts and that, man, that 2015 was probably going to be the year of which the global economy, I know here it says the US economy, but, you know, just for the sake of time, and I found the quickest one. But like it says here, man, all right, and like a lot of financial analysts have been saying, 2015 could see the complete crash of the global economy, man. And you know, it's a beautiful thing, man. All right, that the word of the Most High, the scriptures, is coming to pass before our eyes. We still got assholes out here that don't believe it's gonna happen. You still believe it's a conspiracy theory. See, you can't conspire using numbers, man. All right, the numbers tell the truth, man. That's why the word truth, math. Guess where you get the word mathematics from? And this is the mathematics, man. The truth about the matter is concerning what's going to happen out there in the US and China, and hence and therefore, right, the global economy, right? In that ultimately, all right, it's going to come to naught. And guess what, man? It's coming to naught right here before our eyes. You know, it's just always going to, you know, this was going to be a quick video. You can see the information being put up. You know, different brothers been putting up the, you know, videos concerning this market crash, because this is supposed to be, you know, quite a terrible market crash. All right, that means, you know, you got a lot of Edomites going to be unhappy out there, which is a damn beautiful thing, man. And they're going to continue, right, to go back into that abased state of mind, and where you ain't, you know, looking down on Jake and all that, man. All right, with that, I'm gonna say double honors to the apostles of GMS. Honestly, brothers that be pushing this truth and sincerity. Shalom.